Independent artists don't fail because their music is bad. They fail because no one even sees them. And here's the harsh truth. Your talent doesn't matter if your brand, your strategy, and your visibility are invisible. Today we're breaking down the real reasons independent artists stay invisible, and it has nothing to do with luck, labels, or even the algorithm. Most artists think if they just drop good music, people will magically find them. But let's be real. We live in a world where thousands of songs are uploaded to Spotify every hour. The reality? Great music gets buried when it's paired with no brand, no story, and no plan. So when people say your music just isn't good enough, that's not true. What's actually missing is everything around the music. Here are the 3 silent killers that keep artists invisible. 1. No branding. If your profiles don't look cohesive, if your cover art feels random, if your social media looks like a hobby page instead of an artist brand, people won't take you seriously. First impressions matter. 2. No strategy. Dropping singles with no rollout plan is the same as throwing your music into the void. If you don't create momentum, build anticipation, or think about how you're releasing, you're wasting opportunities. 3. No networking or playlisting. Too many artists think they can go viral in isolation. The truth? Collaborations, community, and playlisting are what amplify your reach. If no one is co-signing you, you're stuck shouting into the void. And at the Indie Lab, we see this all the time. Independent artists dropping great music but struggling to actually connect with fans. Algorithms change, posts get buried, and you don't really own your audience. That's why we recommend ForeverFan. It gives you smart links and mini music sites that look professional. But more importantly, it collects your fans' emails, phone numbers, and socials, so you own your fan base, not rent it from Instagram or TikTok. Plus, you can send emails and texts directly to your fans and track your growth all in one place. If you're serious about building a real fan base you control, check the link in the description and start with ForeverFan today. The truth is, when artists ignore these 3 areas, branding, strategy, and connection, they remain invisible, no matter how talented they are. The artists who win are the ones who make their brand as undeniable as their music. So here's the bottom line. Your music might already be great. Now it's time to make your brand, your plan, and your connections match it. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment which step you're going to work on first, and share it with another independent artist who needs this. And before you go, grab our free guide on how to reach 10K monthly listeners on Spotify. The link is in the description. You can also grab the Indie Artist Growth Bundle for a full toolkit on building your brand and fan base. Join our newsletter for weekly gems, and if you're in Los Angeles, book an icon branding session with OSQUAREPHOTOS. Subscribe to the Indie Lab to keep growing as an independent artist. Let's build your future.